Let's make a game day appetizer with leftover mashed potatoes. Welcome to Ashton's Crunchy Kitchen. Today we're going to be making fried mashed potato balls. Let's get started. Cook some bacon. I'm using Nature's Promise thick cut smoked uncured bacon. While the bacon's cooking, let's shred some old crop sharp cheddar cheese. And y'all, look what I got. My friend Summer, that's been on my channel a few times, she got me one of these cheese shredders. I'm so excited. Thanks, Summer. Add in your leftover mashed potatoes. Season with parsley, a splash of milk. Add the chopped bacon into your mashed potato mixture. Mix. In a bowl, beat 2 eggs. On a plate, put some flour. I'm using Nature's Promise organic all-purpose flour. Season with salt and pepper. On another plate, put breadcrumbs. I'm using Alia's Italian breadcrumbs. Use an ice cream scoop to scoop some mashed potatoes into a ball. Dunk your mashed potato ball in your egg. Now dunk it in the flour. Now dunk it in the breadcrumbs. Put that thing into a pan of hot oil. I'm using tallow. All right, guys, these mashed potato balls are fried and they're looking delicious. Let's try them. I have a ball.
I have one. I have a ball.
All right, let's try them. Oh my God.
That's pretty good right there.
Wow, guys. I could eat my weight in these.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, so what would you rate that, Andrew?
A 9. It's almost perfect. I feel like there's something that maybe like a dip, you know, like cheese or something.
Yeah, I could see you dipping this in something,
Maybe
maybe.
even like sour cream.
Oh yeah, sour cream would be good to dip it in. But regardless, guys, that's a thumbs up from me.
Thumbs up for me.
If you like the content that you saw today, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you want to see more of. Until next time. Everybody loves some bacon. I love bacon. Do you love bacon too?
Scared the crap out of Rowan.